tested a truck on them yet. Used to make the fucking truck bounce around.
I think I just found one of those M65 jack. No, that's a wool coat.
Oh, we're galloping.
You notice that the carrier and the two-seater go the same fucking speed?
'65. One of these dudes in the back gonna get decapitated by a low-hanging tree.
Worth it.
Definitely. Just for the video. Hey, you know what used to bomb when we had this loot fucking, the heat map last time? That fucking convoy up north.
Oh yeah. And the military, right?
I never visited the actual, you're talking about the,
There's like
northeast
barracks
military,
up
right?
there.
The old
Yeah.
hidden military? Yeah, I never checked it when we had that last thing. The only places I really went were the convoy and the fucking, the parking lot in Geno.
Wuku put a tent all the way at the top of the map near... What's that? Starry what? Sterriar.
I bet it's gone.
Anyone want this PU scope? I'm about to drop it.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes, we got somebody with a Mosin over here.
Alright. It is worn.
Warren is today's brand new.
Oh man. That was a...
Oh, we're getting shot at, dude. Oh, fuck. That
Oh,
cat just
shit.
got hit. Oh, fuck, we're getting hit. Drive.
I'm unconscious.
I see him.
I'm
He's in the
unconscious.
field over there. I can't even get out. My fucking game is like
That was, like,
frozen.
The worst fucking timing right
He's
there.
on the left.
Oh my god, my game is frozen. Kill that dude.
I'm dead.
I'm fucking hit, but I'm not dead
Where's
yet, I
this?
don't think.
Where's this happening at?
Wow.
You guys are up north.
Oh, I'm fucking
They just
dead.
killed everybody.
Oh my god.
I'm still alive. I ran off.
Fucking kill him. I couldn't even get out of the goddamn truck. Oh, I'm unconscious.
Hey,
Come get me
One
out of the
down.
truck and bandage me.
guys, I'm gonna try and come up there and help you.
Well, if you kill him, though, he's still not going to fall out of the truck.
Try it,
We'll
see
see.
what happens.
Where you want to go?
Where are they at?
Alright, you're about to die, bro.
We already
You
killed
sure
him.
about this?
Rat nose?
Yeah,
I'm
just
not sure
fucking
where
do
that's at.
Yeah, it changed
Alright.
to dead.
Alright.
Yep,
Start
you're dead.
heading north.